In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can download apps on your Windows 11 without like BlueStacks, without Emulator. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So a lot of people, they don't want to download BlueStacks because it slows the laptop, like just like me. I downloaded BlueStacks, but it makes the laptop a little bit slower, and the apps, they don't work like the way I want them to work. So that's why I made this video. I want to show you guys the best way or the alternative way to download apps on your Windows 11 without the Emulator like BlueStacks. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can download apps. Now the best way I found, guys, is to download apps through Microsoft Microsoft Store. Okay, you want to just click on search here, as you can see, and search for Microsoft Store. Okay, now this is a very good very good if you want to download any app that you can download on your Android phone. Now you want to click on Microsoft Store, and probably you will find it at the very bottom, as you can see. Now after you open, guys, your Microsoft Store, you can deal with it just like you do with your Android phone. You can download any app. After it loads, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now if you want to download any app, just search for it in the top. For example, you can download Netflix, you can download Instagram, you can download games. Literally you can download anything you want. Just scroll down and you will find, let me just delete Netflix. I don't even watch Netflix. You can, okay, now you just want to scroll down and you will find a lot of games and apps and like everything you need to know. Everything you need in your laptop or your PC. You can find any game here. For example, you can find like racing cars, you can download movies, you can literally everything. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. After you find the app that you want to download, you just want to click on Git here, as you can see, and that's all you need to do, guys. And you want to wait for it to download just like you do on your App Store, and that's it. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you want the alternative way, click the video on the screen and you will be able to download apps on your laptop in another way or alternative way. See you guys next video.